everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a box. You will need 2 square sheets of paper. The first step is to fold your paper in half. Crease it like that. Then you want to open it and fold these 2 corners to the middle crease. Then open it back up. Then do the same on the other. Repeat on the other side. Fold the piece of paper in half. Then fold the pieces into the middle of the middle crease. Then open it back up so you see all of the boxes. Then you want to put these into the middle of the squares like this. And do that to all of the sides. When you're finished, it should look like this. Then open only 2 of them like this. Then you want to fold it like this. You want to fold it like this and make sure you don't move this up. Do that on the other one too. Then you want to fold these down. Then open them, but keep your fingers here. Then it should be looking like this. Then you want to fold the thing into the middle. And then do the same on the other one. You want to do this. You want to crease it. Then you want to fold it down. Now you have the bottom of your box. So now I'll be showing you how to make the lid. You will be needing another square of paper. So you have to just do the same steps. Fold it in half. Then open it back up. Then fold these into the middle. Do the same on the other side. Then it should be looking like this. Then open it back up. Then fold it in half again. Then fold them into the middle. Then do the same on the other side. Then open them back up. Then fold this into the middle. After you're finished, it should look like this. Then open 2 of them like this. Then it should be looking like this. Then you want to fold this into the middle crease, like this. Then you don't want this to go up. You just want to hold it and you want to do like this. Then do the same on the other one beside it. Then you want to fold it like this and put them in the middle, like I showed you in the other one. So I am just going to do it, and you can look at the back. This is my dog. Then, congratulations. You made a box that you can just put together. Like this. Good job. And now you have a box. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell to be part of the family. Bye.